Our first lesson in e-learning in Prep 2 is factorizing by grouping. Factorizing by grouping is used when we have an algebraic expression consists of 4 terms. Then we have 2 plans to solve this type of algebraic expressions. 2-2 or trinomial or perfect square. Which is 3-1. This type, like what? If you have an example like ax plus ay plus bx plus by. First of all, we have to check that this algebraic expression doesn't contain any common factors. Is it has any common factor? No. So I have to divide it or classify it into 2 by 2, or first, like this type. These 2 algebraic terms have a common factor, which is a. And the remaining part is x plus y plus this algebraic expression, or these 2 terms, has b as a common factor. This bracket, like this one, then you are right. Because you will take x plus y as a common factor, and the remaining parts are a plus b. Then we have finished the factorization of this problem. Another one. A squared minus 2b plus ab minus 4a. First of all, I have to divide them into 2 parts, like these 2 terms with each other and these 2 terms with each other. The common factor from this part is 2. The remaining part is a squared minus b. The common factor from this part is a. The remaining part is b minus 4. Is this bracket like this one? No. So I'm solving in a wrong way. And I have to examine another 2 terms with each other. Like the first with the third and the second with the fourth. So it will be 2a squared plus ab minus 2b minus 4a. I have to divide them into 2 terms with each other and the other 2 terms with each other. It's preferred to take the negative with 2b and make the sign between them is positive. The common factor is a. The remaining part is 2a plus b. The common factor from here is negative 2. The remaining part is negative 2 divided negative 2 equals 1, 1b. Negative 4 divided negative 2, it will be 2a with positive. 2a plus b is the same as b plus 2a because the sign between them is plus. So the common factor is 2a plus b. So I am right because these 2 brackets are like each other. The remaining part is a minus 2. I have finished another example. We are going to have another example, which is x power 3 minus 3x squared plus 27 minus 9x. Also, we have to divide them into two terms and another two terms by the plan 2, 2. The common factor from here is x squared. The remaining part is x minus 3. Plus, the common factor from here is 9. 27 divided 9 equals 3. Negative 9 divided 9 equals negative 1x, which is x. Is these two brackets are like each other's? No, they are not. These two brackets are like each other's because the sign between them is plus. And 2 plus 3 is like 3 plus 2. But 5 minus 3 would equal 3 minus 5. So I have to replace these two terms by taking negative common factor, like this one. Now, these two brackets are like each other's, so I can take them a common factor, which is x minus 3. The remaining part is x power 2 minus 9. Have we finished this example? No, we didn't finish it, because this bracket can be factorized into two brackets in the form of difference of two squares, x minus 3 and x plus 3. This bracket remains as the same. These two brackets are like each other, so it will be x minus 3 to the power of 2x plus 3. Then we have finished. Another example, which is x power 2 minus 10xy plus 25 y squared minus 36. This type is solved by the plan 3-1, which said that we have to divide them into 3 terms and another one. How do we know this type of this factorization to be 3-1? Because the first 3 terms form a perfect square trinomial. Perfect square trinomial. The square root of x power 2 is x. The square root of 25y squared is 5y. If we multiply the first by second by 2, it will give me the middle term. So this one is a perfect square trinomial, which means bracket to the power of 2. And the sign of the bracket is the same sign of the middle term, which is minus. What about this one? The one term must be a perfect square number also, like this one, 36, which is 6 power 2. The sign between them is also must be negative sign. Why? To divide them or to factorize it into difference of two squares. Two brackets. One of them is positive and the other is negative. X minus 5y, x minus 5y, x power 6 power 2, it will be 6 and 6. Then it factorized, has been factorized. The last example, the last one is x power 2 plus 9y squared minus 25 plus 6xy. The first 3 terms are not a perfect square trinomial. So I have to order them as x power 2 plus 6xy plus 9y squared minus 25. Now, these 3 terms are a perfect square trinomial. The square root of x power 2 is x, square root of 9y squared is 3y. The sign is positive as the same sign of the middle. Minus this bracket to the power of 2, 25, it will be 5 power 2. Then, it it will be factorized as difference of two squares, x plus 3y, x plus 3y, 5, bracket of them is positive and the other is negative. Thanks.